just come with me. Come on, baby, be wild and be free. We like mermaids come up from the sea. Yeah, here we go, baby. Come on, baby, just come with me. Come on, baby, be wild and be free. We like mermaids come up.
What guess we're going today?
Where are we going?
Batangas.
Yay!
Canyon Cove.
Are you excited?
Pero, daan muna tayo ng Skyway except SCTEX. Bye! Enjoy it. Bye! Enjoy it. Hello! Welcome. And Lake San Manila. Pero, pinakamalayong beach yan. 3 hours.
Oh, go Dian. Hi, Dian.
Bye! We going to beach. Bye!
Time check.
Time check. It's... What time is it?
8:45.
8:45 in the morning. We're about to go to
Canyon Cove.
Sugu, Batangas in Canyon Cove. Bye-bye!
Hi, we going to beach. To the bottom of the beach. The open sea. Bye-bye. Hi, we going to we going to beach. Ayan. Bye. Ano ba talaga ito? At Maplasan exit. Here go. Here's the clearance of Maplasan exit.
Dito tayo nag-exit last time, di ba?
Oh, ng Gardenia.
Pumunta tayo sa Gardenia Factory.
Po. Ngayon, hindi tayo pa nagdaan ng Greenfield City. So, nag-decide tayo papuntang daan na natin ng Greenfield City papuntang Batangas!
Yeah.
Ay no, ang direction ng Greenfield City. Ito ng Lihib Avenue.
Yeah,
Puntang Gardenia. Ito last time na nagdaan tayo dito.
Dyan din.
Hi, we're going to swimming. Bye-bye.
Hello guys!
Hi, we're going to Puet. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Swimming down.
It's our second time here at Chorito Bags Philippines. Bye-bye guys! Eat lang po muna kami ng lunch dito. Wait lang po. Bye-bye!
Ano yan ba yung? Mukhang masarap yun.
Sa Bagong Beach may tinola.
Okay pala yung tinola ng Bagong Beach na. Kala ko breakfast din lang dito. Ito rin eh, oh. Ayan pala dito niyan sa Bagong Beach.
Ito yung pekus.
Kami rin, may entry din kami sa dala naming food. Sinigang ng mga bata.
Gusto pa ba ng kanin nila, Dayla?
Isang microwave.
Ito na yung food namin.
Chicken barbecue samang inasalang yun.
Ayan na.
Pansit lang kakainin mo,
Last time we go to Torito, and we're going to Torito
Dia naman. Sama mo si Ronald.
It'll be what?
May ano yan? Mag?
Hi. Here's a man. Can be served as souvenir also.
Not.
Choco walnut. Chips. Banana cookies. Cakes. Cheese roll. What's that, Dylan? White bread?
There's a chorizo. There's a real chorizo.
The name Charito, wala na yun sa ano, sa bread nila. Let's go. Tapos na kami kumain ng lunch sa Charitos. Papunta na kami ng Canyon Cove.
Onion go for the lunch pa. I want here.
Anong oras na? 12:47 ng hapon.
Bye. We go to Camps Oat.
Tayong Canyon Cove. Bye-bye. Pangalawang kanto kanan. So, unang kanto.
Ng kanto. Lawak po dito.
Kanto.
Pumasok na po kami sa Canyon Cove parking lot.
Dito na kami sa Canyon Cove. Dito lang kami sa lobby. Nakaya. Check-in time. Ayan. Yan. So, nag-discard na kami ng gamit dahil pwede na kami mag-check-in sa room. Yun. Ito na yung tawagin namin. Parkings. It's 2:30 ng hapon. Hello!
Hello.
Sige. Sa room na lang tayo ulit. Bye-bye.
Okay, go! So, yan po ang sangkaterbang gamit namin dala. Tapos ito pa po, may maleta pa kami. Okay. Boss, ano, matutuloy ba yan? Ayan po. Sangkaterbang dala. Ayan. Maleta ang labanan. Ayan po dala. Po sila, dumadating na. Ang mga balikbayan.
Diba? Ang handy.
Happy po siya sa nabili sa shop.
3.8 daw yung ano, yung wrap ng tao. Ay, hindi pa pwede. Look ka. Ah. Woohoo! Dami oh. Diba handy?
Go, go.
Here's mine.
Ito yung coupon, ito yung keycard, tsaka ito yung towel card. Okay, keycard muna. 337. Ilan hindi yun sa room. Go! And then, push. And then pull. Ayaw.
Try again.
Try again. Yun,
Yung
hilaw.
gray yan, yung gray, yung ano?
Yung
sabi
isa
ko.
lang.
Try again.
Yo!
Let's go.
Ang ganda! May kamang pambata. Look at those kids.
It's a bata. I can really see.
Wow!
We can see. We can walk.
Dayla naman, tatalo na, oh. Umihi na, oh. Oo.
Dami namin gamit, oh. Oh. Pag ayaw namin umuwi, di goods. Sa towel, sa may beach. May pool.
Baka mawala yung cue ko ng breakfast natin.
Wow, ganda naman ang bed nila, Dayla na Dion. Ang laki. Oh. Wow, ganda ng mirror, ah. Wow. There's table. Hello. There's slippers.
Sabi kayo na ni Papa, matagal pa ba? Nasaan na ba ang swimming pool?
Wow, what is this room?
I think that's the balcony.
It's a balcony. Let's see. Ayaw.
Another one.
Is it closed?
Another one. Hey, look.
Yun. Whoa.
Balcony.
Look at that. Go.
Look at dripping.
Sleeping for the aircon.
Oh, wait. Ayun.
Uy, ayan na yung beach. Wow, nice beach. Dito muna, dito. Dahil si Rinrin, mayroon isang award. Bigay natin yung gift kay Rinrin. Daylan, come here. Give this to Rinrin. Rinrin, congratulations! Yay! May gift si Daylan kay Rinrin.
Dami award si Jeannie na, oh.
Open mo nga, Rinrin.
Hi, Jeannie.
Tingnan mo nga yung gift ni Daylan. Sige, sira mo na. What's that? Where's that? Wow, Hello Kitty clothes. Very good, Kate. You're welcome. Very good, ready na mag-swimming. Yes. Wah. Yeah.
Are you ready to swim?
Yes, good job. Hello. Ano yung
Dali ba tayo tubig? Gusto mo? Ay, okay.
We have our beach bags. Liwagan salamin. Parang ulan na. Ito na kami sa beach. Punta na kami sa beach. Dami nang naliligo.
go, go, go! Gay!
Look at these.
What are you doing?
Look, I have my shades too.
Wow.
But it's not sunny eh. Yeah. You can share mine. Okay. You can. If you want.
Hi!
Let's go. Take me to the place I used to love. Remember the house where I was born. Baby, you don't know me. Baby, you don't know. I show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seemed to realize. Baby, you don't know me. Daylan, hello! Say hello to the vlog. Tsunami, lakas ng wave. Where are you right now?
At Batangas.
Wow, Batangas. Iwan mo, no?
Nabubulok ko. Baka mabubuhay si Lolo, hindi po pwede magbuhat si Lolo ng mabigat. Wala bang naarki lang best yan?
Tubig, pahiga.
Ayoko.
Eh, Dylan! Ang lakas ng wave! Look at the camera! Look at the camera! Oh, look natin sa likod natin, ha? Kung malakas yung wave, ha? Ayun na, look mo, watch mo, ha? Ayun na. Ayun na. Wow, sino yun? Sino yun? Si Papa! Hi, Papa! Hello! Ninang Lele! Ninang Daniel! Hey!
Kuya,
Hello!
ganon, may kami.
Hello! Hi! Hey! 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 Hello! Kapit na kapit rin, ha? Isa pa, ayan pa.
We're here in Cebu, Batangas.
Walang mainit. Floating kayo, floating. Dali, dito.
Hawa kayo dyan, tingin kayo dyan. Go, go, go.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Oh.
Why? Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Oh, dali na, Daddy. Put your hands up.
Oh, galing, ah.
Video yan.
Ayan na, malakas yan. Malakas! Malakas! Yung may tungkol!
Oh, yun.
No, get it.
Kate nilong, kate. Yung nose. Yes. Oh, tikman.
At in the it's so big, it's cool. Double.
Pero design ka. Bigat ba yan?
I can live the guy.
Oh.
Go.
Ay, gawin talaga.
Hindi na pala.
Okay, ma, jump, ha. 1, 2, go. Jump na.
Jump nga si Dian.
Fix natin ulit yan. Okay, ma, jump, ha. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go!
Awag kailan? Ay! No! Hindi niya naman malulunod dyan dahil naka-live boost
Naka-live best ka. Sasaluhin kita.
Sasaluhin ka ni Mami.
Ito.
Game. Sasaluhin ka ni Daddy. Go, go, go. 1.
Kay daddy ka ma'am, kay daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Ililift kita. You can do it. Nakaupo muna, nakaupo.
Kakaupo lang.
One.
Hello. Selfie daw. Ayun. Hello, Dia.
Diba? Close your eyes.
Bye-bye.
Isa.
Bye. I can float like a plane.
Ay, kunin ako.
Ayan po yung nag-aabang. Ito po yung tatalo. Oh my God! Bye-bye, Day. Hi!
Jump, go! Ako na yan ang tayran na ano mo.
Anong tayo? Anong tayo?
Ano ba to?
Anong tayo?
Triceratop.
Hindi na ako makaingalan.
We're swimming. I can swim on my own.
Pinakuluan na tubig. Sabi ni Jen. Si Daddy jumamp eh. Sige, go.
Nasa ilalim ng swimming pool mo. Marunong ako lumangoy.
Pakita mo ha.
Lumangoy sila.
Ano pa? Paano?
Here.
Wow! Galing naman marunong nang lumangoy si Kuya Dylan. Very good, Dylan.
Tsaka sa float.
Paano mag-float? Sige nga. Punta ka nga. Aba. Tatalong ka rin? Pipicturean kita. Hindi, ay, hindi ah. Sige.
We're going back to the hotel room muna. Kain muna kami dinner.
Ugas mo na ako.
Ano?
Wala ko.
Ticket muna. Ticket na dinner.
Ako, dalawa.
Tayo.
Sa'yo, may entrance. Ay, nakin na. Dalawa din.
450. Aqua Adventure Park. Play muna tayo ng Tuaria. Banana boat race. Number mo yun? Silver kayak, ano? Silver kayak. Crystal kayak pala.
May banana boat din.
Gat ng dagat. Balik muna kami sa room. Dio, nakusod. Susi natin, nakakama. Nasa na. We're here. Seated at 337. 337. Yo, on 337. Ha? Wow, sarap ng food ka. Hindi, ano lang natin sa group. Hello. Dylan, say hi. Dion, say hi.
Hi, we could do this. To the house
Hello. Kain lang.
Iba na adobo dito. Sa kanyan ko po, masarap adobo.
Sarap ang adobo sa kanyon ko ba?
Oo, masarap.
Daddy.
Baka mahiya tayo.
This spinach.
Step, step.
Daddy.
Dancing ah. Saan tayo?
Hello.
Ayun ah. Wow. 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 Uy.
Every night, every day, we will need my baby to call on me, close to me. Yeah, that is all. Every day, when you wake up in the morning, when I think about you. Baby girl, I know you wanna be right on it. Every night she says she just want to climb on it. She asks me to spend the different design on it. But I'm a dollar. Seriously, love my mind. That's all I see. Love you forever, that's the plan. I'm trying to lady. Yes, it's you. Just all up. Nobody but I'm a don't you know I like the way you take this down. You say you let me get my man tattooed down. That's how you don't get